Chopper on a nigga, turn him to a skeleton. Bitches on my dick, get it up. Hey, Macarena.
Yo, morning vlog. It's too early for this, you know. So it's 7 a.m. It's 7 a.m. I literally just woke up, put a hat on, a random jumper, and I'm leaving. I'm going to pick up the other boys with their bikes. Man, I'm so tired. They are too much. Who wakes up at 7 a.m. on a Sunday? No one. Like, straight up, no one. So, I thought it was the police. I'm literally gonna go and pick them up, and then I'll see you guys at the track, basically. And yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on this crazy Sunday with the pit bikes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. As you can see, we just got another bike in, the red one. We're on our way now to High Wycombe. I think that's where we're going, and to pick up another 4 bikes, and hopefully they'll fit all in here. And yeah, big boy there ready with his helmet and stuff. We ready. Let's go. Alright boys, so we've got now at the moment how many bikes? 1, 2, 3, 4 bikes. We are ready. We're about to get another one, a 450cc, and yeah, as you can see they're struggling a bit, but let me see if they need any help. And it's currently, what's the time? What's the time? 9:30, and we're still here since 7 a.m. Look, they're struggling. This is a big boy. Look, he's sweating already. Look, they're sweating. Look, they are sweating. This is a big boy. Look at that, he can't even lift that. Look at that.
I got it, bro.
Yeah, that's your chair. Yeah. I think I need to help them, you know.
Just
Just rate it. Seriously.
1, 2, 3.
Wait. I'm dead.
Emphasis on around.
Aqui. You know this? That's a barra?
Okay.
Right. 2, 3. Right, hold it there. Let me go my
Yeah, I have it.
This is heavy as fuck.
Missing screws. Huh?
Missing screws.
Where's the screws missing?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's the clip.
Yeah, we are ready to go. We're going to Reading. Apparently there's a good destination there for the bikes. Hopefully have a good day. 9 a.m. like I said, we've been up since 7, you know, picking up everyone, because obviously I'm that guy. So I think we're gonna stop probably at a petrol station, get something to eat, and ready to go.
Okay, bro. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, so we just arrived, and now we're gonna go to the park and.
Jackson, put it back in. Go to Daniel's house and pump the tire there. He's got to pump. Hold my place.
Wait, what do you mean? Não é mais fácil trazer a pompa aqui?
Oi. Tipo,
É mais fácil trazer a pompa aqui?
taking a piss. You need him. He doesn't need you. Then go borrow the pump and then give it back to him.
É o que eu estou a dizer, é mais fácil, porque sabe ficar outra vez vazia.
Go there then. It's 2 minutes. It's just 2 minutes. Come on.
Yeah, so we are out here. My battery died, so I'm using a phone now. But yeah, we are here. Look at this view. camera died, so I'm using again my iPhone. So I'm gonna wrap up the day for the day. I can't even talk. I'm gonna wrap up for today. It's already 7 o'clock, and I've been out since 7 a.m. But it's been a great day, man. It's been so good. It has been so much fun. We're doing it next week again, Saturday. So I might vlog that as well. Make sure you follow. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you do all the good things, because more stuff to come. You know, again, my thigh, it's annoying me. I might have to get surgery, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it's been fun. Subscribe, like, follow, do all the good things, share it, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Peace out.